At Urban Training, we use positive reinforcement, and there are 4 main ways of training our dog within that spectrum. Starting with capturing. This is when you capture a behavior that is naturally occurring with your dog. If your dog naturally offers you a sit in front of you when you're looking at them, and you say yes and you give a treat, that's capturing that behavior. Maybe your dog does something really cute that you like and want to see them do again, like they give a little head tilt. You can say yes and give a treat for that. That is also capturing. Maeve, touch. If I look at her long enough, she'll probably offer me behavior. Yes. Perfect. That's capturing. Next is shaping. Shaping is using a bunch of small captures to build a larger behavior. A good example of this is how to roll over. Down. Yes. So that's the first part, laying down, right? And then next we need her to go on her side in order to do the full rollover. Yes. I'm breaking it down, tiny baby pieces. If I bring her head further back, she'll roll more onto her back. Yes, good girl. Eventually going for the full rollover. Find it. It gets as complicated as you want to make it. So rollover all the way to go get a beer from the fridge for me. Those could all be shaping options. Find it. Next is luring. This is probably one of the most common ways to train our dogs. Going to group classes, you'll see this a lot. For example, if I want to get her to a sit, I will use food in my hand. I'll use that food at her nose to have her follow the food. That's luring. She just spin for us, food at the nose, up and back, and rewarding once her paws are down. Good girl. Find it. Lastly, we have targeting. Targeting means that you train your dog to put a part of their body onto another object. The one that we like to use the most is touch, which is a dog's nose to your open palm. So I can have Maeve show us here. Touch. Yes, good girl. Perfect. Go find it. Targeting we can use for all sorts of things. We can use it to build other behaviors. We can get it to relocate our dogs, add movement into behaviors. We can use it for shaping if we want to help build other behaviors. Good girl. When I say behaviors, I mean tricks. So telling your dog to go to bed, telling your dog to sit. Oh, we're confused. Yes. But those are the 4 primary ways that we will offer solutions to building new behaviors, new tricks, new cues or commands for your dog to perform. Yes, capturing.